How to fix if iPhone doesn't ring on incoming call? And if you are facing such type of issue, here are the fixes. And the first workaround is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to sounds and haptics and make sure that silent mode is not enabled. If you found enabled, disable this feature silent mode first. Thereafter, again go to home page and scroll down and make sure that Bluetooth is not enabled. If you found Bluetooth enabled, simply disable this feature. Thereafter, again tap on settings, tap on Bluetooth, and any Bluetooth device you connected, simply tap on it and forget this device. The next one is again go to tap on settings and scroll down sounds and haptics and ringtone and alerts. Increase the volume. Simply slide this volume slider and reach them maximum level. Also go to ringtone and choose a higher ringtone having higher sound, maximum sound, and louding ringtone having louds. And the next one is again go back and tap on settings, scroll down and go to phone app. Here go to call forwarding and disable this feature. If you found enable it, disable this. Again tap on settings, go to general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, tap on reset and choose reset all settings. Tap on it and reset all your iPhone settings. Your phone will definitely ring on incoming call.